Welcome back to Toxic Ties. Prepare to embark on an extraordinary journey as we unveil 10 captivating psychological tricks that will empower you to demand the utmost respect in your romantic relationship. Let's begin. Number 1. Confidence. Confidence is an essential characteristic that can help you earn respect from others. To show confidence, you must first understand that it's not about being perfect, but being comfortable with who you are. By displaying confident body language, such as maintaining eye contact, standing up straight, and speaking with a clear and assertive tone, you'll project an air of self-assurance that naturally draws people towards you. Confidence can assist you in securing a relationship that is secure, assertive, and worthy of celebration. Number 2. Active listening. Active listening is the art of fully engaging in a conversation with another person. To actively listen, you must show genuine interest in what the other person is saying, ask questions, and give feedback. Active listening is essential in building trust and rapport with others, which can lead to more tremendous respect in a relationship. Number 3. Empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. You must actively listen to the other person's perspective and acknowledge their emotions to show empathy. Demonstrating empathy can help build stronger relationships, increase understanding, and foster mutual respect. Number 4. Assertiveness. Assertiveness is the ability to express your thoughts and feelings clearly and respectfully. Being assertive can help establish boundaries, avoid misunderstandings, and gain respect. Examples include stating your needs clearly and firmly, using I statements, and avoiding blaming or shaming language. Before we continue to number 5, please like and share your thoughts below about the psychological tricks to demand respect in your relationship today. Now, back to demanding respect in your relationships now. Number 5. Authenticity. Authenticity is the quality of being true to oneself and expressing oneself genuinely. Being authentic can help build trust, create deeper connections, and earn respect. Examples include speaking from the heart, admitting mistakes, and being true to your values. In order to develop a solid foundation, it is critical to be honest, sincere, and express yourself in a relationship. Number 6. Social proof. Social proof is the concept that people are more likely to believe or do something if they see others doing it. To use social proof to gain respect, you can highlight your accomplishments or provide testimonials from others. Social proof helps build credibility, which can lead to greater respect in your relationship. Number 7. Reciprocity. Reciprocity is the idea that people and your partner feel compelled to repay kindness or favors. Giving can create a positive cycle of goodwill and increase the likelihood of receiving respect in return. Number 8. Authority. Authority is the perception that someone has expertise or power in a particular area. You can establish yourself as a credible and respected partner by showcasing your knowledge, skills, and accomplishments. Number 9. Likability. Likability is the quality of being pleasing or attractive to others. Being likable can help create positive relationships and increase respect. Examples include being friendly, smiling, using humor, and listening actively. Number 10. Humor. Humor is the ability to make others laugh or smile. Using appropriate and tasteful humor can help build rapport and increase respect. Everyone desires respect, but not all of us know how to earn it. As an individual and in a relationship, it is essential to have a sense of being appreciated and respected. By consistently practicing these 10 psychological tricks in daily interactions, you can increase respect and improve your relationships with others. So don't hesitate to try them out and see the positive impact they can have. Toxic Ties appreciates your watching. Demand more content by subscribing and commenting on today's tips and tricks.